In 2025, graphic design is characterized by a fascinating tension: the push toward high-tech AI augmented efficiency versus a pull toward human imperfection and textile nostalgia. Designers are moving away from the perfectly polished look of early 2020s minimalism and embracing more expressive, tactile, and interactive styles. As AI generated imagery becomes more prominent on the screen, think digital collages that use torn paper, handwritten notes. It feels personal and unpolished. Wobbly lines, shaky strokes, and iPad finger paintings are being used in professional branding to feel more approachable. Texture, grains, intentional noise, and film grain are back. Designers are adding grit to visuals to counter the smoothness of AI rendered images. Typography is no longer just a sporting element in 2025, it is the design. Fonts that respond and shift based on data or user interaction. Variable and parametric type fonts that respond and shift based on data or user interaction. Retro serifs and heritage fonts are returned to classic high contrast serif fonts that evoke authority and tradition. Bubble and 3D text, playful, inflated bubble lettering and chrome textured 3D fonts are dominating social media and packaging. The new retro Y2K Futurism 2.0, a more sophisticated take on the early 2000s. Holographic gradients, sleek metallics, and translucent glass morphism UI. Retro modernism, blending 60s and 70s color palettes with clean modern grid layouts. Analog punk, high contrast neon on black color schemes that feel both dystopian and high energy. Tech-driven trends, AI realism and hyper surrealism. Instead of using AI to make normal photos, designers are creating impossible, dreamlike scenarios, gravity defying objects, and photorealistic textures that challenge reality. Dynamic data viz, charts and infographics shifting in real time as users scroll through reports. AR ready design. Branding is increasingly being designed with a third AR ready design. Branding is increasingly being designed with a third dimension in mind, ensuring logos and elements look good when viewed through AR glasses or phone filters.